Teasel's Tudor Trivia!
Hi, welcome to Teasel's Tudor Trivia with me, Claire Ridgway, and Teasel, the rescue dog. Now today is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas, and it's actually the very last edition of Teasel's Tudor Trivia. But I'm sure Teasel will be happy to do a few cameo appearances like Madge does in the future, but her career as a full-time YouTuber is now over. Well, for now anyway. Teasel and I thought we'd share with you one of the Christmas Eve traditions from the medieval and Tudor periods, and Madge has decided that she wants to share it too. The Yule Log. Now, the Yule Log is thought to have had its roots in the midwinter rituals of the early Vikings, who built huge bonfires for their festival of light. In the medieval and Tudor periods, on Christmas Eve, the men of the house would go out into the local forest and find the biggest log that they could find, a huge log. They'd decorate it with ribbons and then drag it back to the house, where they'd be met by the women of the household with hot spiced ale to warm them through before the family all attended midnight mass. This log, known as the Yule Log, would be kept burning in the hearth for the 12 days of Christmas. Apparently, the fire used to symbolise the light of the sun, but when it was incorporated from pagan traditions into Christmas, the light came to symbolise Jesus Christ and his victory over sin. The family would obviously burn this for the 12 days of Christmas, as I've said, but they would try and save a bit of this log for the following year to start off the next year's Christmas fire, to set light to the new Yule Log, because that was thought to bring the household good luck. These days, we don't tend to go off into the forest and find a huge log and bring it back to the house. Lots of people don't even have fires to do that with. So we celebrate this tradition today with chocolate Yule logs, and I'm sure that you'll be able to find those in shops near you, these Yule chocolate log cakes or bûche de Noël in the shops. They're a reminder of this ancient tradition. Or you can make your own. Why not Google a recipe for a Yule log? There are lots and lots of recipes for a chocolate Swiss roll, which you then decorate to look like a log. So shall we do that, Teasel? You can't have any because it's chocolate, and chocolate is not good for dogs, is it? It's very sad. Anyway, Teasel, you need to say goodbye because this is your last proper one. You're going to go to sleep instead of saying goodbye. Well, Teasel is saying goodbye. She's loved doing this, and I've been reading your lovely comments out to her as well. She's really happy that people have enjoyed Teasel's Tudor Trivia. Thank you for joining us, and I'm sure Teasel will see you soon because she'll be in the background of my talks, I'm sure. Take care. Happy Christmas. Bye-bye.
Teasel's Tudor Trivia!